Hi everyone, welcome back to Garden and Grub. Today we're gonna multiply strawberries. So my GreenStalk, if you've seen my last video, is making lots of runners. Those runners are more plants, so it's propagating itself. So what I want to do is utilize that to make more plants. I'm going to show you how I do that in my GreenStalk. The best way to grow strawberries in your GreenStalk. So good. All right, so first things first, we're going to get some containers, some soil. And you're gonna wanna get yourself some of these handy dandy clips that you find in your office or at the dollar store. There, so we put some soil in the container. Next, I'm gonna show you what we do, or what I do, I should say. So, what we're going to do is I'm gonna find a runner. First off, there we go. We got a runner. Now, some strawberry plants produce these. They're little vines that come off of the plant. And this is a runner, and this will propagate a new plant. But if you don't want to propagate them, I highly suggest that you do cut these off, because the plants want to reproduce. That's their sole goal. So it's going to be putting more energy in creating this new plant than into growing strawberries. So if you're not propagating strawberries and you have runners, you can just cut them off as soon as you see them. Some strawberry varieties don't grow runners, like the Alexandria strawberry does not grow runners. This is an itty bitty strawberry plant, and it is growing along and producing more runners because it's looking for somewhere to go, and this will keep growing until it finds a place to put down its roots, find soil. Here's another runner right here, and if you can see, there are tiny, tiny roots here. There are little itty bitty roots. This runner here is looking for somewhere to propagate. I'm not going to be propagating this one just because, so I don't need it. And you just snip them right off. So what I'm going to do is take this handy dandy cup and my handy dandy clip, and I'm going to clip it on to the side of my GreenStalk. Just like that. So the clip will hold on to the little pot, and it will clip on to the GreenStalk. And then we're going to put this in right here. It's all clipped in. I always keep my hair up in a bun in summer, actually most of the time, because I'm in perimenopause and it just gets too hot all the time. So I'm going to take this bobby pin to pin it down. Now you're going to want to make sure that you give it water. I don't pre-water or moisten the pots just because it gets really drippy all over my arms and hands. Now once you can come and check them, and once it takes root, you can go ahead and cut the vine. You don't want to cut it sooner because it needs the nutrition from the mother plant. So once it takes root, you can go ahead and snip this vine, and you have an individual strawberry plant that you can go ahead and just pot up anywhere. I'm going to do some more. I'm running out of bobby pins. Oh, no, I got a few more left. So there you have it, everyone. This is how I propagate my strawberries in my GreenStalk. If you don't want to grow them in cups like I did, you can propagate them right inside the pot. Now this one here, you can see the landscape staple, and this is a runner that came from the plant above. And I just put a landscape staple and stuck it into this pocket. The reason why I love growing strawberries in a GreenStalk is because the strawberries are so clean. They're not sitting in dirt. The slugs aren't eating them. They are just pristine. And I absolutely, if you want to grow strawberries, I highly recommend that you do it vertically. It's just, you can do them in the ground, but a lot of the time slugs and bugs get all over them. But in the GreenStalk, they're always pristine. Thank you so much, friends, for joining me today while I show you how I use these clips and these little pots to propagate my strawberries in my GreenStalk. If you have different way of doing it in your GreenStalk, or do you propagate strawberries? How do you do it? Let me know down below. Thanks again for joining me on this beautiful summer day. Take care. Bye, friends. See you next time.